Welcome to ResearchRocks. In this video, we will see how to install Microsoft Excel for Mac absolutely free if you are using Mac. So this video is very important for you. How to install, we will see detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel ResearchRocks. So simply open here App Store, and currently going on 2022. So if you need to download the Excel, currently you just simply type here Excel for Mac and boom, look at this here, 2022 Excels are coming here. I just simply click here. Also including Microsoft 365 also available. Wait couple of seconds. The Excel size is around 952.5 MB only, depend upon your internet speed. My internet speed is quite good. Download is finished. Now is going to installation. We'll see. You just simply put it here in your App Store Excel and very easily download the Excel absolutely free. Now wait couple of seconds here. Even I will provide you information how to open and how to use it, the Excel. Look at this here, installation is done. I just simply open here, start using Excel, and look at this here. Suppose for example I just open here one of my Excel file, and boom, you can use all features are activated here. It's very simple tips and tricks to download Excel and use. And one more thing, sometimes if you are facing the problem, you can sign in here using your college ID or office ID, otherwise your Gmail, and then you can use very easily all features of Microsoft Excel, and that one is absolutely free. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel ResearchRocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.